so cute. Look how cute. Look at this thing. Closet. Oh my goodness, it goes into the bedroom and
$3 for chicken rice? What?
chicken, legs, drumsticks. And we have this fried chicken hot sauce. I guess we'll try that. Put a very small drop. Maybe I didn't put enough. Really good. It's delicious. So cute. So pretty. Cute. Little mushroom and everything. Yeah. Got this cat thing.
Okay, here's Dinky's food and my food. This loft store. Get this guy. So cute. Cute these planners are. Sylvanian families. Cute they are. So cute. Squirrel. We ordered some pizza. Oh yeah, baby. You guys see the little king loafing over there? He's so cute. Hi, handsome. So pretty. Beautiful. Breakfast. So yummy. Food here. More food. Pork and sandwiches. Dinky said it looks like ice cream. I don't know what we're gonna do. Look at all of that.
Shit is crazy.
Another buffet. Okay, so look what I have. No dessert here. Let's try it. Terrible. But it's cute. Not for me though. see the dessert section. They got so much here. We got and then this, I got my dessert. All this stuff. Got all kinds. No. I'm not a hustler. Yes. I'll just do a quick little run through because oh my god, it's one of my favorites. And look, I got the Coach plaid bag, guys. This long polka dot dress and this plaid dress. And I got this Hollister top for 10 bucks, by the way. More here, just a regular cami top. Then I also got this one, so cute. I got this skirt, and lastly I got this top as well. So that's my haul. I got everything from Bangkok Junction. These are our last day. We're leaving now. That's like the lobby area. McPhee Cafe in Bangkok. Look how cute. Little hippie. So beautiful. Little McPhee. I'll grab. I'll be done by the time it gets here. And then I got a watermelon lemonade here with Miffy lemon ice and Miffy French fries. And here we got everything. At MBK Mall Center. Have these cute PJs everywhere. Today we're just browsing, and if I see any Rilakuma, I'll just be getting lucky. The place was kind of in the middle of nowhere, but I got the best nails of my life. I'll show you guys again like later on, but yeah. Yeah, I also have to pee. Here we are. At the Central World Mall. They have some event going on down there. I don't know what it is. They got a boba ad. I still can't believe these nails, y'all. They're so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So gorgeous. They have a Care Bears Cafe over there. Can't zoom in. Bro, this thing is not. Just getting at my fork. I gonna try this one. It looks really good. The rolled noodle. This place here. And got the rolled noodles and pork. Can't see the rolled noodles, but they're there. Pretty good. We're at the store and we're checking out Miffy, obviously. All kinds of Miffy stuff, guys. It's so cute. 70 years. This series is still expensive even in Thailand, guys. Up here, more Miffy. Cute. They have these like little stamps. Look at the little kids. They have this fish one. So cute. Like this other kitty cat ones and right there. Guys, they have some movement stuff too. This cat stuff here. So cute. My ice cream, I already started eating it. I got chocolate ice cream and it comes with a little waffle.